Have you ever had a video that looks blurry, noisy, or just lacks detail? With AI video enhancement, you can upscale your footage, reduce noise, restore details, and even improve older or lower quality videos, all with just a few clicks. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use NiceGen AI Video Enhance and choose the best enhancement mode for your footage. Let's get started. First, open NiceGen AI Video Enhance and upload the video you want to improve. NiceGen supports common video formats, including MP4, MOV, and WEBM. Once your video is uploaded, you can choose your output resolution. You can keep the original resolution or upscale your video to 720p, 1080p, 2K, or 4K. For example, if you're working with a low-resolution video, you can choose 1080p, 2K, or 4K to create a higher resolution version. Next, choose an enhancement mode. NiceGen currently offers 7 modes: General Enhancement, Noise Reduction, High Fidelity, Portrait Enhance, Animation/CG, Old Footage Restore, and Motion De-Blur. Each mode is optimized for a different type of footage. If you're not sure which mode to choose, just use General Enhancement. It's the recommended default and works well for most common video enhancement projects. For this example, I'll select General Enhancement. Once you've selected your resolution and enhancement mode, simply click Generate. When processing is complete, you can preview the enhanced video and compare it with the original. Depending on the quality of your source footage and the mode you selected, you should see improvements in resolution, clarity, detail, and overall video quality. And that's how easy it is to enhance your videos with NiceGen AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.